truth that clears confusion when it is understood. What once appeared as limitation loses its hold for good. Clarity removes resistance without force or strain. When awareness shifts direction, order remains. What is grounded in understanding needs no struggle or defense. Recognition dissolves discord and restores balance. I return to harmony, clear, steady, whole. What once felt like restriction no longer holds control. When understanding enters, boundaries fall away. I align with clarity and limitation fades. And limitation fades. Life dissolves in recognition. It cannot remain. When awareness meets alignment, nothing feels restrained. What appeared as separation was never truly strong. Clarity restores direction and carries me along. I do not fight conditions, I adjust my view. When truth is fully present, change moves through. I return to harmony, clear, steady, whole. What once felt like restriction no longer holds control. When understanding enters, boundaries fall away. I align with clarity and limitation fades. Recognition brings freedom without force or fear. What is seen clearly disappears. I return to harmony,